In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to moderate your subreddit efficiently with unpaid features. We'll focus on using Reddit's built-in tools to automatically catch problem posts so you don't have to do everything manually. To begin, make sure you're on your subreddit's main page while logged into your moderator account. On the right-hand side, or in the community menu, look for the option called Mod Tools. This is the central hub where you control your community settings, moderation actions, and automation. Go ahead and click on Mod Tools to open it. Once you're inside Mod Tools, you'll see a menu with different sections. For this process, we're going to work with your community rules because that's what Reddit uses as a foundation for automated actions. Find and select the section labeled Rules. This is where all of your subreddit's rules are listed and managed. Now, we want to create a new rule that will help you automatically deal with posts containing specific words or phrases. Look for the button or option that says Create Rule and click on it. This will open a form where you can define what the rule is about and how it should behave. Start by giving your rule a clear and descriptive name, something that quickly tells you what it does. For example, you might name it Banned Words in Post Titles or Auto Remove Slurs and Send Warning. The name is mainly for you and other mods, so keep it simple and meaningful. In the rule description, briefly explain what this rule is meant to cover. For instance, you could write that this rule automatically removes posts containing certain banned words and sends a warning message to the user. This helps keep your moderation team aligned and your rule set organized. Next, you'll want to define the condition. If a post contains banned words, then a specific action should happen. Add your banned words or phrases to the appropriate field, paying attention to spelling and variations users might try. The more precise you are here, the more effective your automation will be. Then, configure the action for this rule. Set it so that when a post matches those banned words, the post is automatically removed. Along with removal, enable the option to send a warning or notification to the user. In that warning, briefly explain why their post was removed and refer them back to the subreddit rules. This helps educate users and can reduce repeat offenses. When you're done, save your new rule. From now on, Reddit's Unpaid built-in moderation system will automatically remove posts that contain your banned words and send a warning, saving you time and keeping your community cleaner and easier to manage.